Are you sitting there trying to verify your Google business profile and it just won't happen? Maybe you've requested the postcard once, twice, 5 times, or more, and it still doesn't show up because you're in a rural area, an industrial park, or you just have a challenge with the local post office. No worries. I've got a new way for you to verify your Google business profile. I'm going to show you how to request that feature right now. Hey everyone, it's Bryan Caplan here with the Bigger Better Biz community, and I have a special video for you. Actually, I've been getting a bunch of questions. There are people that come to my Grow with Google classes, and maybe they live in a rural area or they're in an industrial park. They can't receive a postcard. We just had this happen with one of our clients. They have locations all around the country, and one of those locations is in a spot where they're in a bay. They're not in a suite, they're not in a unit, they're in a bay. They were unable to receive mail. So I wanted to show you really quick how you can request a new feature, and it's called video verification. So I'm going to add the link that you would follow in the description below, but really quick, you would come to this link, and then you would choose which business. So I'm just going to say business not listed, but assuming you have your Google business profile, you've created it, and now you're at this point where, okay, we need to verify. You would choose your profile there. Then all you're going to do is type in video verification. Click on next. And so it'll say, okay, choose the best description, can't verify, so on and so forth, other. Next step. Then it's going to show you a bunch of resources. So of course, this is where you could go and start researching, finding a little bit more about the topic, but we're going to skip that. Just click on next step. And then you see the option for email. You're going to click on email, and then you'll be typing in, okay, verify, delete, or merge a profile. We're going to choose that one. What are you trying to accomplish? Verify business profile. Then you're going to pop in your name. So of course it autofills my name. It has one of my emails. What's your relationship? So if you're the owner of the business, you choose I own this business, or you may be an employee. For me, where we work with a lot of clients, I own or work for an agency that represents this business. Pop in your phone number as well so they can contact you. This is where it says, okay, as seen in the Google business profile. So let's just say our company name is Acme Company. Then you would put in your business address, let's say 1 Main Street in Boston, Mass. Just as an example, you'd put in your full address, including zip code. What is the public URL or maps link for your business page? So this is where you're going to go find. So let me open up, and I'll go to Bryan Caplan Marketing just as an example. And there we go. And what you're going to do is click on the map when your business profile shows up. You're going to take this huge address right here. You're going to copy it, go back here, and you're going to paste it right in this box. What is the public URL or maps link? Pop that there. Pop in your business website. We're just doing acmecompany.com. And then describe your issue. Hey, listen, you're dealing with people. Be respectful, be professional, be polite. Hello, we are having an issue where we are unable to receive a postcard for verification. If I can spell verification. I'm hoping we can explore video verification via Google Meet as direct mail through USPS is a challenge. Thanks in advance. That's it. Don't have to include a related case ID. You click on submit, and here's what's going to happen. You're going to get an email from support at Google, from the Google Business Profile support team. And then they'll let you know, hey, here's the issue. Here's what we see. You are eligible for video verification. They may come back to you and say, listen, here's another way you could verify. So you're just going to want to troubleshoot with them. Again, be polite. These are people. We want to treat them with respect. But at the same time, a little bit of honey goes a long way. It attracts a lot of flies. So we want to make sure that we're being nice and polite, and hopefully the Google Business Profile team can help you. Hey, until next time, I'm Bryan Caplan. I hope that you stay well, stay healthy, stay happy. Hope this helps. And here's to your success.